I'm Cheyenne and I'll be showing you how to make macrame Christmas decorations. Macrame is a craft where you use string or various ropes to create a decorative piece around the home. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas decoration using the same technique. To make a macrame Christmas decoration, you'll need scissors, a bauble, masking tape and string. The first thing you need to do is measure and cut your string. An easy way to remember how much string you need is the 10 and 10 rule. You'll need 10 pieces of string and each piece needs to be 10 times the length of your bauble. So the length of the bauble is from top to bottom and that's one length. I'll fold that in half to get twice the length of my bauble and then fold that 5 times to get my 10 times the length of the bauble. I'll use the first piece of string to measure out 9 more and I'll have my 10 pieces of string. Take your 10 pieces of string, fold them in half and tie a knot. This knot will be where you hang it on the tree. Now take your masking tape and stick the knot to the table. This will make the rest of the job much easier. Separate your strings into 5 groups of 4. Tie a knot in each group, a third of the length of the bauble from the top knot. Pinching where I want the knot to go, I'm going to tie the remainder of the string around over the top and through the loop and pull it tight. Take 2 pieces of string from adjacent sections and tie them together. Take the final 2 pieces on either end and tie them together. This completes our second row of knots. Repeat the process to create a third row. The last step is to pop your bauble inside the knots and tie all the strings together in one big knot. I find it easiest to twist the loose ends together before tying the knot. To finish it off, you can give it a quick trim just to neaten up those loose edges. This Christmas bauble was once boring. I've transformed it just using string and it would make a fantastic gift for family and friends. If you're stuck for Christmas gift ideas, why don't you give this a try?